Have you ever thought about what you would do if one day you had to defend yourself or protect someone you love? Most people believe fighting is only for those who go to the gym or hold a black belt. But in real life, fights don't come with a warning bell. They can happen anytime, anywhere. That's why protecting yourself and your loved ones is so important. Most fights actually happen in schools, between students. And in those moments, there are no rules, no referees, just you and your opponent. If all you know at that time is how to panic or freeze, then you've already lost. That's why today's video isn't just a simple tutorial. It's training that will unlock the monster energy inside you. If you've been thinking about learning martial arts but don't know which one is right for you, or if you just want to learn fighting for self-defense, then this video is your best option. Because here, I'll show you deadly moves and martial arts that can turn even beginners into a machine. A machine that makes anyone think 100 times before messing with you. All the martial arts and moves I'll explain are connected, so don't skip anything. Otherwise, you won't fully understand, and it'll only waste your time. So, I hope you stick around till the end. Without wasting time, let's start. Boxing, the foundation. If you want to learn how to fight, the first thing is learning how to throw a punch. Boxing is not just a sport. It's a battle-tested, brutal combat system that can teach you how to drop someone to the ground in seconds. If you're a beginner, you only need to learn 4 punches: jab, cross, hook, and uppercut. But if your timing, angle, and placement are right, even one punch can end a fight. Boxing also trains your footwork. In a fight, you don't want to be a static target. Good footwork lets you move, dodge, and counter. That's why I always say, start by working on your footwork. With a little training, you can master the 4 punches too. Another huge benefit of boxing is stamina. Fights demand cardio, and boxing builds that up. Plus, it gives you emotional control over fear, anger, and panic. But remember, boxing has its limits. You only use your hands, no kicks, no elbows, no knees, and if someone clinches or takes you to the ground, a pure boxer can struggle. That's where the next martial art comes in. Muay Thai, the art of 8 limbs. If boxing ends at your fists, Muay Thai begins with your whole body. Known as the art of 8 limbs, it transforms your body into a weapon. 2 fists, 2 elbows, 2 knees, and 2 shins. A single elbow strike can end a fight instantly. A powerful knee strike to the stomach can drop someone on the spot. Clinching gives you control in close range, where boxing is weak. And a roundhouse kick helps keep distance while delivering massive damage. Muay Thai training is tough. It turns your body into steel and builds insane pain tolerance. But because the strikes are so brutal, practicing without proper timing can also lead to injury. If you want to turn your body into a weapon, Muay Thai is a game changer. Jeet Kune Do, Bruce Lee's way. Next comes Jeet Kune Do, the martial art of Bruce Lee. But it's not really a style. It's about survival. It's about using whatever works in a real fight. There are no flashy moves, no wasted energy. The philosophy is simple. Intercept what's coming, attack what's open. Jeet Kune Do is less about fixed techniques and more about adaptability. That's why it can be confusing for beginners. You have to put in effort, think for yourself, and train discipline. The conclusion? Start with boxing, build toughness with Muay Thai, and then add adaptability with Jeet Kune Do. Together, they create a complete fighter. Deadly, beginner-friendly moves. Now let's talk about real, deadly moves anyone can practice at home for self-defense. These are not for showing off or bullying. They're survival tools. 1. The liver shot. a left hook to the ribs, just below the liver. When done right, the opponent's body shuts down in seconds. Even if they're standing at first, they'll collapse shortly after. Perfect when the opponent is pressuring forward. 2. The horizontal elbow. When your opponent gets too close, punches might not work. That's when you use the elbow. A sharp horizontal elbow to the jaw or cheekbone can cut skin and stun the opponent instantly, giving you time to counter. 3. Side kick to the knee. This Jeet Kune do move targets the base. When your opponent advances, instead of punching the upper body, attack the knee with a side kick. It won't always knock them out, but it disrupts their balance and drops their aggression, giving you control. These 3 moves, liver shot, body, elbow strike, face, and side kick, legs, work like a cycle. Together, they make you unpredictable and effective. Practice each for just 15 days, and you'll see results. But remember, never use these moves to bully or harm innocent people. These are for defense, not violence.
If you liked this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs it. And let me know in the comments, which martial art do you like best? Because at the end of the day, martial arts aren't just about fighting. They're about building confidence, discipline, and the strength to protect the people you love.